Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about digital marketing strategies that small businesses can use to grow their online presence, generate leads, and drive sales. As a small business owner, you know that marketing is essential for growth, but with limited resources, it can be tough to know where to focus your efforts. That's why we've put together 10 proven digital marketing strategies that can help you reach your target audience and drive sales. First up is content marketing. By creating valuable blog posts, videos, and social media updates, you can attract and engage your target audience. Next, optimize your website for search engines. By doing keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building, you can rank higher in search engine results pages and get more organic traffic. Social media is another powerful tool for building your brand. By sharing content, running ads, and engaging with your audience, you can increase your visibility and drive traffic to your website. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to communicate with your customers and prospects. By sending regular newsletters, promoting your products and services, and sharing valuable content, you can stay top of mind and drive traffic to your website. Pay-per-click advertising allows you to place ads on search engines and social media platforms. By targeting specific keywords and demographics, you can drive targeted traffic to your website and generate leads. Video is one of the most engaging forms of content and can be used to promote your products and services, showcase your expertise, and build your brand. Influencer marketing involves partnering with social media influencers to promote your products and services to their followers. By tapping into their audience and credibility, you can reach a new audience and build credibility for your brand. Customer relationship management (CRM) involves managing your customer relationships to drive sales and improve customer satisfaction. By using tools like email marketing, social media, and customer service, you can stay in touch with your customers and provide them with a great experience. To be successful with digital marketing, you need to measure your results and make data-driven decisions. By using tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, social media metrics, and email open rates, you can see what's working and make adjustments. With more and more people accessing the internet on mobile devices, it's important to optimize your website and content for mobile users. By using responsive design, mobile-friendly content, and mobile advertising, you can reach your audience wherever they are.